Hello guys, Belkin here, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to unbox the Belkin BoostUp wireless charger for your iPhone or your AirPods or basically any other Qi enabled device. Okay, so Belkin BoostUp wireless charger, these were one of the first wireless chargers that came out specifically designed for iPhone. This is a newer version though. You can see that there's the iPhone XS in here instead of 10 or 8 that were the first that were supported. And yeah, of course, if we take a look at the packaging, we have it there, the iPhone in the front on top of the charger for iPhone XS Max, 10R. These were the ones that were available at the time. Of course, 12, 11, all those are still valid. This one does include an AC adapter, which is something you don't always see with wireless chargers, especially with the cheaper ones. This was 18 pounds, around $22, $3. So yeah, chargers with cases stuff, all of that we know. Not a whole lot in the box, to be honest. So let's proceed to unbox it, and we have some tech here. As you may be able to tell, I am not doing this on a table, so I cannot be too hard on the, so to say, table. But anyway, we're almost done, and we will leave that piece out of here. And okay, nothing else in the box, so we can throw it away. And then, okay, let's start with the boring stuff. Paperwork, throw it away. Then the AC adapter. USB-A, UK outlet, seems okay. I expected it worse, to be honest. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space, which is always nice. It's kind of a bummer for me that it's the UK one, because I live now in the UK, but I have a bunch of Spanish plugs. So yeah, but that's what we get. Could have bought it in Spain, we would have had a European adapter. Then we have the part set itself that we'll look at the end, and then the cable. The cable, according to the box, if I'm not mistaken, is 1.2 meters, which should be enough to put it in most places, even at the bottom of a table, and then take the cable all the way up. Yeah, pretty long. Actually, that's my field of view, pretty much, 1.2 meters. And yeah, so of course, what you would do, you connect this here. Oh, that was hard. Then micro USB, not USB-C, that's sad. But then we have the charger. So this does have a light in here. I'll show you later. Does have a light to know when the device is charging, if the device is charging. Then when we plug this in here, again not USB-C, which is a shame. Nice and flash, doesn't seem too off. It's nice. It's also white, which is nice because I want to put it on that table. So I have a black one, but that was too bad. It also has some rubber pads down here, so it doesn't slide, which is good. And that's pretty much it. So now what we're gonna do, these are always useful. I'm gonna put this in a safe place. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a table and actually plug it in and test it, how it goes. Okay, so here's the charger a little bit more close up. As you can see, you have the Belkin logo here on the front. Yeah, there we go. And then we have the light here. So you will notice that, well, the cable is really long. I have it tied here, so it's not all over, but plug it in, starts charging, no problem. And as you can see, the light just turned on, and if I take it off after a small while, it will turn off. So yeah, that's basically how a wireless charger works. This is no different than any other, besides that it charges at 7.5 watts, which is a little bit faster. But yeah, very simple. The design, these are the rubberized pads that I said earlier, just so it doesn't move around. The cable sticks right in, has Belkin on it. However, the B is covered, so you can only read Belkin. But yeah, also it also has rubber on top, so the iPhone itself doesn't slide, so nothing slides. which is nice. And yeah, at the bottom, not much more. But yeah, this is everything. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so the Belkin BoostUp wireless charger for your iPhone, is it worth it? One thing to take into account is that not always all wireless chargers have the same speed. This one goes up to 10 watts for non-iPhone devices, so like Samsung. For iPhones it goes up to 7.5 watts, which is the maximum that iPhone support except for MagSafe. But yeah, that is good. Many others, many cheaper ones already go to 5 watts, which you might think it's not a huge difference, but it actually makes a big difference in charging speed. So yeah, I prefer to have 7.5 watts on my desk. Yeah, just because I might be wanting the phone to charge quickly. And then in the bed, in my nightstand, I have a 5 watt one. So overall, very good. If you want to put it in a white place, definitely the way to go. If you want to put it in a black place, like I have my black desk, you can get the Mophie one, which I also unboxed and reviewed on this channel, so you can see it somewhere here. And yeah, as always, if you have any questions about this wireless charger, leave them down below in the comments. And also, if you like the video, it would really help me if you give a thumbs up. And if you like the video and like Apple in general, you can subscribe for more content coming weekly. But yeah, that's everything for me today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.